to invite us?
Yeah, he does it every year. That's why he's sending you to the play. That's why he sent us to that medieval restaurant and to that button factory.
And that horrible museum tour?
No, I arranged that.
Daddy, buy me a pizza. Daddy, buy me a candy factory. Daddy, make the cast of Cats sing happy birthday to me. What, you think you can just come in here, make a...
Ugly naked guy's using his new hammock. It's like a Play-Doh fat factory.
Going to the dentist. So listen, okay, just be on the lookout for anything that you could fall into. Or...
Yeah, okay, I'm sure a doctor's office can't be worse than on a class trip to the Hershey factory.
Oh, yeah, Rachel talks too. Who says wine has to cost more than milk?
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word factory. It means a building or group of buildings with facilities for the manufacture of goods. Also means any place producing a uniform product, without concern for individuality. They call it a law school, but it's just a degree factory. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce factory, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to fake. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how factory is used in real life.
Daddy, buy me a candy factory.
Ugly naked guy's using his new hammock. It's like a Play-Doh fat factory.
On a class trip to the Hershey factory.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.